For one of my recent designs, we spec'd out some custom concrete planters that we ordered from a artisan friend of mine out of St. Louis. And these are for the Expedia project, which is going to be at the terminal at the old Springfield Airport in Springfield, Missouri. And since we can't really plant a ton of plants, it's all concrete, I decided we should put in a bunch of these concrete planters. So that's what we're going to do, and then we'll fill them with annuals so that they've always got some pretty good color out there. And that was my solution to pretty up what would otherwise be a very hard and rough reclaimed airport terminal for Expedia's new call center. We went with the 3-foot cylinders for the Expedia job, but these are a couple of the other options that they have. You can see they look really nice when they get planted, but definitely a cool way to boost your sales or just add another element to your design. They even do tree grates for city streets.